I often forget my car keys, I forget my wallet. I never actually forget my phone. It's the first thing that I actually look for when I wake up. So it's kind of following that trend around the usage of mobile for consumers. Kind of saying, as a consumer, I might not have my wallet with me, I might not have my cards with me, but I have a mobile phone with me. Can I use my mobile phone as an e-commerce solution? Absolutely.
SnapScan is a digital payment system that eliminates the need for cards, cash and paper. Launched nationally by Standard Bank, customers can use any MasterCard or Visa credit card, as well as cards from any bank to transact using the app. Once a user's bank details have been securely logged and stored, payment becomes as simple as scanning a QR code at the merchant's location and entering the amount to pay. And the customer is not the only one to see the benefits.
The reality is that there's still a big chunk of people who actually can't accept payments other than cash because they might not qualify for a point of sale, it might be too clunky, it might be too expensive. So from a merchant perspective, it addresses that need. There's merchants who are out there who don't quite have point of sale infrastructure, and we're kind of bridging the divide between a consumer who has quite an expensive device and the merchant who actually wants to trade on a lot more instruments other than cash, but from an affordability perspective, the only thing that they would have been traditionally forced to is just using cash on maybe a point of sale, and there's great benefit from both a consumer perspective but also from a merchant.
Where it's helped us is ultimately from a speed point of view. That it's, I think, touching on the technology, we need to keep up with what's going on. So the handheld machines are quick, but they're cumbersome. We've got 2 machines in the shop. People want to pay. We're a coffee shop. People want to move quickly. People that pop in every day to pick up a takeaway now don't have to wait for me to ring up a coffee in order to give them a bill. They physically can stand here while they're ordering it, scan it in, and pay straight away.
SnapScan walked away winner at the 2013 MTN Business App of the Year Awards, but Standard Bank can't take all the credit. It was developed in partnership with Stellenbosch-based Fire ID, a partnership which the bank hopes will be the first of many.
We want to be able to harness all those great innovations, all those great entrepreneurial people who are out there who have great concepts but might not know how to actually put them together. That's the approach that we've taken with SnapScan. SnapScan was actually conceived by a company based in Stellenbosch called Fire ID. The concept is now being fully branded and powered by Standard Bank, but it's really in partnership. So going forward, we're going to see a lot of other things that are coming from Standard Bank where we're actually using exactly that model of open innovation. One that says there's a lot of other clever ideas and innovations that are out there. How do we tap into that pool, and how do we ensure that we actually integrate ourselves into those pool of innovative ideas?